In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add overlays in Capcut. For this tutorial, I'll be using an explanatory video like this one, tutorial videos like this, or screen recording videos like this as an example. So right here, I can just bring in my screen recording right here. Then I can add my video on top of it as an overlay. So we have two clips in the timeline. This video right here is below it, and then this other video has been added as an overlay. So we have two videos to work on, and not only a video can be added as overlays, you can also add an arrow or an image like this one. You can add an image also as overlay. You can adjust the image. You can also turn the image around if you want to, so you can adjust it. And also you can also bring in a video as overlay. Also you can add stickers, so you can import any sticker you want and add it as an overlay. Maybe I can just bring in this one. I can adjust it whichever way I want. You can even bring an effect as an overlay on Capcut. I can import this one and it should be an overlay. You can even adjust it. You can adjust the blur. You can reduce it. You can even add a mask. Though if you don't know anything about masks, in the course of this video we are getting to that point. So I can add a mask and then blur out the face, or I can even do a circle mask to blur out the face. So anything can be added on Capcut as an overlay. Alright, so we are working on this video right here. So here we have a video underneath and we have another video above it. You can just remove all of these unnecessary parts of the video. So we have this video on the timeline above it and another video below it. So I can start editing this one above. So again, just like any other thumbnail, you can adjust the size. You can move it wherever you want. I can just adjust it and bring it to this point. I can move it around any point I want, any place I want the video to stay. You can also add a mask. So all you just have to do is go over to this right hand side and click on mask, and then you want to click on add mask, and you can add a cycle mask, for example, and I can just bring it to any point. You can even increase the size and adjust it, and you can just bring the video back. Maybe the video is too small, you can increase it if you want and just let it sit at this point. So we have a video underneath and we have another video above it as a mask. You can also bring in other objects. I can add an image up right here and then reduce the size and then point it to this point. So you can add an image as overlay. You can add a video as overlay. You can do whatever you like. You can even change the mask to something else. Maybe you want it to be a rectangle. You can also do that here on Capcut. So anything could be an overlay, image, video, sticker, transitions, even effects can be added as overlay. I can even add an adjustment overlay right here. So what the adjustment overlay does is you can add some color grading to the video, to the whole video in general. So you see all of the adjustments before and after. You can see that the video has changed color. So anything can be an overlay, image, video, adjustment layer, stickers and all that. So that's just how to add overlays on Capcut.